explosion at a restaurant. If it's the first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Emergency crew are at the Tao Restaurant on Knutsford Boulevard in New Kingston, which was a scene of an explosion Tuesday morning. Emilio Ebanks, public relations officer at the Jamaica Fire Brigade, said 4 fire units responded to the blaze and have brought the fire under control. 2 persons were injured and the fire brigade is investigating. Firefighters are conducting cooling down operation following a major blaze this morning at the Tao Restaurant. Debris from the explosion are scattered along the road. 2 vehicles in the vicinity of the restaurant have been damaged. So, eyewitness report that they heard a loud explosion and then thick smoke coming from the building. Several workers, including a waitress, and one of the restaurant owner are reported to have been injured in the explosion. They were taken to the hospital. Trinidad Terrace and the section of Knutsford Boulevard leading to Oxford Road and Trafalgar Road have been blocked off. Several business places have been evacuated.
So why you mean at the van? Me I run over like car there now. Look there. What's Jerry? So why Jerry? And that yes, I know what man carrying nothing. Serious though.
With them bag. Not going to concern unless the building are burned down. Then the air fire alarm jump. Now the first one reach through the door. And the responsible security of my life is with them bag. Not going to concern unless the building are burned down. Then the air fire alarm jump. Now the first one reach through the door. And the responsible security of my life is
cause unknown, but there was smell of gas shortly before the explosion that morning. There was a gas leak at the Tao next door triple century in the vicinity of Juici, Patties, and J.N. Money Bank. The owner evacuated the workers, but didn't complete evacuation in time. A few workers got out, but from what eyewitnesses saw, some received severe burns and was rushed to the hospital. The owner was standing at the door during the evacuation period, and an explosion happened, causing the door to hit the owner. Splinters and glass and metals all over the area. Firefighters and police personnel responded in time and are still working to ensure the area is safe. So as you can see, they don't know yet what has fully taken place, but we only know that they said there was a gas leak. So You see how people are running towards it. People are not scared of fire. They don't scared of explosion. They're running towards it. So my viewers and subscribers, lend me your views on this. Once again, this is J Khan TV out of Zurich, saying unto each and every one of us, walk in peace, my friend. Shalom.